you can actually see the whole thing. Okay, and you can see these vectors that it has generated indicating the top direction. So one of the things this GEMPI does, as it is generating the surface, for each point on the surface, it also generates a vector that points to the Younging direction. So it knows which one is the deep direction or the top direction. Okay. I have a hard time rotating this because I don't see any gimbal that helps me spin this around. So I am going to do this and you can enjoy the view. Sorry, this is a little tilted, but this is really cool. You can look at it from the bottom. You can look at it. Sorry, now it's gone crazy. I've lost it. Okay, now it's back. So this is fun. You know, you can do this kind of stuff. And actually, you can do this with all of our things. Okay. So, you know, let me, you know, you can write that last line of, once you get this thing running, you can generate that last line of code for every, each and every piece of GEMPI code that we have written, and you can, you know, have fun.